Hello, welcome back to Bell's Learning Corner Reading E。那这篇呢，今天我们这周是说到 Ladybug's birthday。好，那大家可以看到学习目标最主要是过去式，还有第三个你们看到它会重复出现 I need to go meet something or someone。好，那这边你看到 Ladybug 说Ladybug woke up and smiled. Today's my birthday, she said. I can't wait to play with my pals. 她的朋友 Ladybug saw Grace Hopper. Today's my birthday, she said. Can you play? 那 Grace Hopper 就说 Sorry, said Grace Hopper. I need to go meet some pals. 那 pals 你们会看到这里是朋友的意思，那就 hop hop hop. Ladybug so warm. Today is my birthday, she said. Can you play? 那 Worm 也说 Oh, sorry, said Worm. I need to go meet some pals. We go. Ladybug saw Butterfly. Today is my birthday, she said. Can you play? 那一样的呢 Butterfly 也说 sorry, said Butterfly. I need to go meet some pals. Flutter. 好，那他现在呢看到Ladybug saw Snail. Today is my birthday, she said. Can you play? 一样的，那 Snail 就说 sorry, said Snail. I need to go meet some pals. Slide. Boo-hoo, cried Ladybug. Nobody will play, so I'll go to the garden. Creep. Cry. Hey, in the garden she saw Grace Hopper and Worm and Butterfly and Snail. Surprise! Yelled the pals. Happy birthday to you! The pals had a cake with candles. Oh my, said Ladybug. Make a wish, yelled Grace Hopper and Worm and Butterfly and Snail. Then Butterfly said, I wish everyone had a great pals like you. Thank you, and that is the reading for today. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.